Right now, one thing is very clear. AI is not going anywhere. In fact, the people who learn how to use AI now are the ones who will thrive online, while others are left behind. Hi there, welcome back to your online income guide, where faith meets strategy for online business success. If this sounds like something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And now, let's get right in. So, we are in a new season where technology is moving fast, but you don't have to feel overwhelmed or left out because the truth is, you don't need to be a tech genius or have thousands of followers to get started. You can use AI to start a simple, meaningful, and profitable online business step by step with clarity and confidence. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how to do it. Before we go into tools and strategies to start an online business with AI, let's start with mindset. I see a lot of people are scared of AI. Some think it's too advanced, others believes it will replace them. Some people even think it is demonic. But here's the truth. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Just like a pen doesn't write by itself, AI won't build your business for you. It needs your input. You have to, use your gift, your ideas, your story to prompt it to do what you want. And as people of faith, we know that God has given us wisdom and creativity. So AI is simply a way to multiply what's already inside of you. It cannot replace you. There are many ways to make money online, but I always say the best one is the one that aligns with your skills, your experience, your strengths, your lifestyle, and all of that. So if you're just starting out online and your question is, where do I begin? You are in good times because AI has now made it easier than ever to start simple, sustainable online business, even with little experience. Now, here are 3 clear paths you can start with AI today. The first thing you can do is to offer digital services. This is a good online business. People are online everywhere, business owners, entrepreneurs looking for, skilled people who can help them. And if you have skills you can use to help others, say writing skills, editing skills, graphic design, social media management skills, administrative skills, and all that. With AI, you can become faster and more professional, even if you're just starting out. You have so many tools you can use. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm, to plan your content, to write blog posts, captions for clients. You can use Canva AI to create stunning graphics. There's AI scheduling tool, to manage social media accounts. You could become a virtual assistant offering AI-powered support, or a social media manager who uses AI to create content calendars and posts. With AI as your assistant, you can take on clients and deliver quality work without burning out. Gone are the days where you have to, figure out everything by yourself or do it from scratch, or burn out, from hours of trying to, create and deliver a task. AI makes things better. With AI, it's easier to be a content creator these days. So if you're someone who loves sharing ideas, teaching, or inspiring others, AI can help you build an audience, which you can later monetize, with ads, sponsorship, or by selling your own products. As a content creator, you can use AI to generate video scripts, blog outlines, or podcast notes. You don't have to start from scratch. You don't even need to have it all figured out. You can use AI video editors like Descript or CapCut to quickly edit your content without spending hours or days on video, on editing your content. You can use AI repurposing tools to turn one video into shorts for other platforms, captions, or tweets. So that way you're everywhere without spending hours. For example, you can start a YouTube channel on wherever your interest lies, maybe business, food, or maybe a TikTok account talking about fitness. And it can be a blog about budgeting for families or wherever your interest lies. You can do all of this with AI helping you to stay consistent. That way, you're building influence and income at the same time. The third profitable online business that you can go into with the help of AI is digital product business. This is absolutely my favorite because you create them once, but you sell them over and over again without having to do any work again. Think of things like ebooks, templates, checklists, or printable planners. You don't need to be a writer or designer. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm your product ideas. It will help you outline your content and even write drafts. And with Canva AI, you can design beautiful covers, beautiful, ebooks, templates, and all those things, all the layouts in minutes. For example, you can create an ebook on skincare tips if you're somebody who is, knowledgeable in that area, or maybe a budget planner for moms, or a resume template for job seekers, all with AI helping you do the heavy lifting. So I'll always advise that, you create your digital products in a subject you are knowledgeable, in. You don't have to know it all. You just need to be a step ahead of, someone, validate your ideas. And if you don't want to go that route, there's also the way, it's done now, where you just look for what people are really looking for, what's trending, and you use you leverage AI to, validate your idea and to come up with your product. But the most important thing is whether you're going with, your knowledge area, or you want to take advantage of what people are looking for part-time, you need to always validate to be sure that, yes, people will buy that product. And if you want to learn how to do all of this and you're wondering how to start, I actually have a course which is Digital Product Kits, which teaches you how to create and sell your digital products in 24 hours using AI. You don't even have to stress yourself. You will learn step by step how to create an ebook, templates, all those things that people are looking for online, how to package it, how to sell it using the help of AI. You will learn how to validate your idea so that you are sure that whatever you're putting out there is what people need and they will pay for. So once created, these products, you can sell them over and over again. And this gives you income without trading hours for money. You don't have to always be tied to your job, because also in my digital products kits, learn how to set it up on autopilot so that it sells without you even being there. With AI, there is so much, that you can do. Now that you have your mind in the right place, AI is actually here to enhance lives and not to replace you. You also know 3 profitable businesses that you can use AI to do. The next thing is, what AI tools should you actually use? Because it is important that you use the right tools. This will be my top recommendations for beginners. ChatGPT or Claude. So you can use either of these for your business writing, brainstorming, and strategy. Canva AI, very, very excellent for design, creating your digital products, graphics, and even videos. Then CapCut or Descript AI. You can use either of these for your video editing. It makes it quick and fast, and also, to have captions on your videos. And then Notion AI. This is very, very important for planning your business and staying organized. These tools have free versions. They also have the pro versions that are paid. And the most important thing is that they will save you hours of time so you can focus on what matters, serving your audience and making that money. Now, once you've chosen your path and tools, the next step is to create your first offer. So if you want to offer a digital service, make sure you package what you do best. Then use AI to speed up delivery so you can serve more clients without burning out. If you've chosen to create content, commit to one platform. AI can help you script and repurpose, but consistency is what builds trust. And if you're going for digital product business, start with a simple ebook, checklist, or template. AI can help you outline, write, and design in hours, not months. Just remember, don't overcomplicate it. One clear offer is better than 10 unfinished ideas. Finally, you need to share your work. And AI can help you with marketing, from writing captions to creating graphics, running ads, and even setting up email sequences. The most important thing is for you to not just market for money, market with purpose. Do not have the focus on you and the money you want to make, but your focus should be on the problem that you are solving for your target audience. That is the solution that you are preferring to their problems, right? Your business is not just about making money. It is about creating impact. That way, it becomes more than a hustle. It becomes, a calling that people gravitate towards effortlessly. And there you have it. That's how you can start an online business this year using AI step by step. So as a way of recap, we looked at mindsets. Remember that AI is a tool. Your gifts, your skills and talents are the foundation. So it's not here to replace you. It's actually here to make, things easier for you. Secondly, choose your path. There are so many ways to make money online, but I shared 3 here, which are always in demand. So choose one and start there. The beautiful thing is, whether you choose digital services, content creation, or digital products, AI removes the stress. You're not overwhelmed, and it shortens the learning curve. So the things that used to take months or even years, you can now set up in weeks using AI. Also, use the right tools to enhance, your work and make servicing your audience faster. Then create your first offer. Make it simple. Do not overcomplicate things. You can build on it as you go. Then lastly, market with purpose. Have your target audience in mind. When I say target audience, I'm referring to your customers, your clients, the people that you're looking to sell to. Have them in mind. Come from a place of solution or value, as against a place of I want to make money. When you think of the problems you can solve for people and you go all in to solve those problems, money would naturally gravitate towards you. And if you're still not sure which path to take, maybe there are other paths apart from the ones I mentioned here that you're interested in, but you're confused, or you're already on your online business journey, but you're stuck, you can download my clarity guide. The link is in the description. It will help you discover which path is right for you so you can start strong or continue strong and stop wasting time online. Remember, God has already equipped you. AI is just a tool to help you work it out with confidence. I'll see you in the next video.